guys, hope you're safe and well. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to create this look. This is a very quick and easy makeup look. It is a no foundation makeup look. It is mask friendly and it does not even require any brushes. I'm only going to use my hands and fingers to create this look. In past few of my tutorials, I was putting on a full face of makeup, proper eyeshadow, proper base and everything. And I really wanted to do something which is much lighter on the skin. And in this case, I'm not going to use any brushes either. This is a good look for your Zoom calls or just generally if you want to, if you have a video call or something, or if you're stepping out. I hope you're not stepping out, but if at all, when things get better and you want to do minimal makeup and then step out, then yeah, this is something that you can do. As always, the links of all the products which I'll use, the links and the details of those products will be mentioned in the description box below. So do check it out. And that's it. Now without further ado, let's begin. I'll start off with prepping my skin with a primer. I'll use Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. This is actually a great primer to use, especially when you're not using any foundation. It freshens up the skin instantly. The primer also has a bit of tint which kind of gives an evenness to your skin. The next product which I'm going to apply after using the primer is M.A.C Strobe Cream. This is in the shade Pinklite. This is another product which is really good for no foundation looks. It adds a bit of luminosity to your skin, which looks very nice. Now, next step is using a concealer. I'll use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. So first, I'm going to apply the concealer on all the darker areas of my face. I also kind of highlight my nose and chin a little bit, also the center of the forehead. And now using my fingers, I'm going to start blending it. Whenever you're blending the concealer under your eye with your fingers, or for that matter even with a brush, always dab the concealer. Do not drag it or put a lot of pressure to it. Run your finger through your eyelid as well and just ensure that it is blended properly on all the edges. I'm done blending the concealer. This concealer is a medium to buildable coverage concealer, which is good because if you use a solid full coverage concealer, then it can, kind of stand out on your skin if you're not using any foundation. So medium coverage concealer works pretty well for this kind of a look. Now to set my concealer, I'm going to use Lakme 9 to 5 Compact. So I have set my concealer plus I've applied the compact all over my face. Now this compact sponge is something which you cannot avoid at all. You cannot apply any powder over your concealer with your hands. And all the good compacts do come with an applicator, they do come with a sponge. So yeah, this is probably the only tool which I am using for this look because it is completely unavoidable. Next I'm going to fill up my eyebrows. I'm using NYX Micro Brow Pencil. So the base is done. I'm not going to use any contouring product. Now coming to eyeshadow. If you don't want to use an eyeshadow palette, then you can apply a bit of your blush and top it up with your highlighter and you'll be good to go. But if at all you want to apply a bit of eyeshadow, I'm going to show you what you can do. You can grab any eyeshadow palette. I'm using K-Beauty Self Love palette. You can take one of the lighter colors from the palette first. I'm going to take this color. You can use a gold color or a champagne color. First, I'm going to take a bit of this color on my finger and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. Once you've placed this shimmery color on your lid, you take a slightly darker color. In my case, I'm going to take this color, and with your ring finger, take a bit of that color and just on the outer corner, apply it a little bit. I've not applied too much of that color, just very little color, okay? Now I've cleaned my ring finger. I'm going to take this color. This is a dark color. And this I'm going to apply close to my lash line. Again, this step just adds a bit more definition to your eye. Now lastly, I'm going to take this shade again and with my pinky finger, the smallest finger, I'm going to apply the shade halfway through my lower lash line. Just this much. That's it. This is the eyeshadow look. To complete it, I'm going to use a mascara. I'm using Flower Beauty Warrior Princess Mascara. Next for blush, I'm going to use the lipstick which I'm going to apply. I'm using Faces Canada Jewel Cut Lipstick in the shade French Rosette. Just applying a little bit of lipstick on my cheeks. I'm going to blend it with my fingers. Done. It's given a nice little natural looking flush to my cheeks. Next, highlighter. For highlighter, I'll use Faces Canada Illuminating Powder. With my finger itself, I'm going to start highlighting the high points of my face. I'm not going to apply too much of this highlighter. Also going to take a bit of highlighter on my pinky finger and highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. You know, because I'm explaining each and every step to you, that's why it's sounding like a tedious process, but trust me, when you actually sit down to do this makeup, it's not going to take you more than 10 to 15 minutes. Lastly, I'm going to apply the same lipstick which I used on my cheeks on my lips. Faces Canada Jewel Cut Lipstick in the shade French Rosette. To finish the look, I'll use NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And that's it guys, this is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. As I was telling you earlier, when I break down each and every step to you properly, it does sound tedious and time taking, but in reality this is actually super quick. I pulled this off in 10 minutes tops. Going to end this video right here guys. If you're not following me on Instagram, then you can consider following me on Instagram as well. I do post some makeup related content here and there and video updates on my Instagram handle. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, then please subscribe to our channels. We've got this channel where I post beauty content, and we've got another channel where we post videos daily. That's our daily vlogging channel. I'm going to leave the links in the pinned comment of the comment section below. Do check it out. If you like our content, then please consider subscribing. That's it from me for today guys. Take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye bye. Mwah.